Welcome to this healing trauma meditation. They say that love is blind, but it's trauma that's blind. Love sees what is. In this meditation, we will see trauma and integrate and resolve it, heal it. Triggered strong emotions are messages from our subconscious mind. Sit or lay down in a quiet place. Close your eyes and breathe continuously. Use your breath as the bridge to your subconscious mind. Count to 5. Take 5 deep breaths. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now start to observe your emotions and sensations that are present in your body right now. Breathe and simply notice how you feel. Observe the emotions and say it to yourself in your mind or out loud. I am completely present with you now, with my emotion right now. I am completely present with my emotion right now. I am completely present with it right now. In your mind, specify, how exactly do I feel right now? What this emotion wants to tell me? What it wants me to know, what it wants me to see in my vision or in my imagination or to hear right now. Ask yourself, when did I last experience the same emotion? See if any images pop out for you. Ask yourself, when did I first experience this exact same emotion? Sit with it. See if any images pop out for you. Trust the process fully. Maybe you see any memories related to this emotion, any sensations, any images, or emotions without context. Sit with it. I am completely present with you now, with my emotion right now. I am not wanting to escape this emotion. Observe the process mentally, integrated by being completely present with this experience, with this emotion, with your breath. Breathe continuously into whatever emotion is passing through you right now. Sit with it. Sit with it long enough until you find a way to embrace it positively. When you have that image, when you first felt that emotion, now imagine and visualize that you are changing this particular past event that caused your emotion. You are changing it into a positive past event, embracing it, that past event, or even a childhood event. Transform it in your mind by imagination, visualization. Time does not exist. Your inner world can shape any event. So embrace it by changing and visualizing a positive event. Heal that situation in your inner world, and the outer world will reflect that. Ask yourself, how can I make this past experience different? Maybe today, just by understanding it, feeling it completely, fully. Be with it right now, sitting, breathing into that emotion. I'm completely here with my emotion right now. I am here with my emotion right now. Breathe continuously without a break. Breathe into that emotion. Embrace it. Be with it. Completely reconnect with your breathing right now, and take a slow body scan. Scan your body for any tension, and then when you feel it, just release it. Start with your head, going through your neck, your shoulders, your chest, belly, waist, hips, knees, calf and shins, and your feet, and just release it. Feel how the gravity pulls you down, how your body is heavy like a stone. Take 5 deep and cleansing breaths